Hello friends, myself Rajendra Mahajan presenting my video on triple integration. Let us evaluate the integral from 0 to 1, then 0 to z square, 0 to z square minus x of z into x with respect to x, y, z. We have to decide first the limits. If we see the inner integral, it is in terms of x and z, means it is for y. Therefore, we write down y is equal to 0 to y is equal to z square minus x, and with respect to y, that is the innermost integral. Then next remaining are x and z. Therefore, here it is in terms of z, means it must be for x. Therefore, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to z square, and we take that term of x and its integration with respect to x, that is the second integral, and the outermost integral for the remaining variable here it is z, and therefore z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 1 of z dz. We call this equation 1. This step is very important. We have to decide the order of the integration, in which order we have to perform the integration. If this step is correct, then only you will get the correct answer. If this step goes wrong, answer goes wrong. Therefore, first two integral we keep as it is, and integrating the last one with respect to y. Therefore, integration from 0 to 1 z dz, integration from 0 to z square x, and integration of dy is y, limits from 0 to z square minus x, and then its integration with respect to x. Integral from 0 to 1 z dz, integration from 0 to z square as it is, x as it is, substituting the upper and lower limit for y. Upper limit is z square minus x, lower limit is 0, and then we have to integrate it with respect to x. Integration from 0 to 1 z dz, integration from 0 to z square, multiply it inside the bracket, we get that term as z square x and minus x into x, that is x square, which we have to integrate with respect to x. Integrating these two terms with respect to x, keeping z constant, and therefore we get integral from 0 to 1 z as it is, no change. Z square is a constant term, we take outside. Integration of x is x square by 2 minus integration of x square is x cube by 3, and limit from 0 to z square, and its integration with respect to z. Integration from 0 to 1 z into this z square, it becomes z cube by 2, substituting the upper and lower limit for x. Upper limit is z square and its square, minus lower limit 0, minus this z into this, substituting the upper and lower limit. Upper limit is z square, therefore its cube, minus lower limit as 0, and then we have to integrate it with respect to z. Integration from 0 to 1, this is z raised to 4 into z cube, it becomes z raised to 4 plus 3 7 by 2 minus this is z square and its cube 6 and one more z means z raised to 7 by 3 and then its integration with respect to z. Integral from 0 to 1. From these two terms we can take z raised to 7 common. Remaining terms are 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 and then its integration with respect to z. Finding the LCM, we get 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 6, 3 to the 6. And integration of z raised to 7 is z raised to 8 by 8, limit from 0 to 1. 8 6 are 48. Upper limit for z is 1, lower limit is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Into that 1 by 48. We get the value as 1 by 48 as the required value of that. It is the required value of that triple integration. Please like my video, share it, as well as subscribe to my channel, and to receive the notification for such type of my new videos, please press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.